Lots of good uses for an air fryer. But all meals serve 2 or 4 only. Does have some good tips on how to use air frying to free up cooking 6. Arrived very quickly. That's a plus for me. Also, this cookbook has photos of finished food prepared, which is another plus for me. I am new to air cooking, so I do need photos. Smiley face. Item is good value for money. I would recommend this seller to other people. Very informative. Lots of simple, easy and interesting recipes. Can't wait to try them. I love this air fryer cookbook. As usual, America's Test Kitchen has tried and tested every recipe. I especially like reading why this recipe works, explanation preceding each recipe. The sauces are easy and delicious. This book is awesome. My husband received an air fryer for Christmas, so we pre-ordered this book, hoping ATK could teach us how to use it for more than just reheating frozen snacks. We have trusted ATK for many years. We own multiple cookbooks and subscribe to their magazines. This book continues ATK's tradition of teaching you the science behind the product, food, as well as a variety of delicious recipes. It contains a large variety of main dishes and side dishes as well as snacks. Our air fryer is not one of the recommended models, yet each recipe has come out perfect, even with small changes to ingredients. If you are a loyal fan of ATK's style and brand and are curious about using an air fryer, this book will not disappoint. Good book. You have to remember that America's Test Kitchen tries to please everyone, meaning this book is probably good for 2 to 4 people and cooking in an air fryer. Remember that an air fryer is not an oven or the stove, and anything that cooks with heat, it's going to smell or smoke. We have the NuWave Brio 6-quart air fryer oven and like it very much. Very quiet. Compare another we had and fits under counter. As I said before, the few recipes that we have tried from this book have been tasty, plenty of simple directions and pictures, using a few ingredients needed to make these recipes. We are glad we bought it. The recipes and the advice about the way of using it are very helpful. I would have appreciated a section that would have said, frozen French fries, how long at what temperature, what about frozen fish? What about other foods that can be bought frozen? Click link in description for more reviews.